What's going on, boys and girls? Just thought I'd do a little reveal out of the box here. In case you didn't know, Alpinestars recently came out with a helmet line for the first time, called the Supertech helmet line, and this is the M8 model. Very nice. I'm definitely impressed because I usually wear Arai or Shoei helmets, and this one definitely ranks right up there with them. It is quite nice with some great safety features and helmet removal features, in case of an accident. Definitely top notch. So I just wanted to show you guys in case you haven't seen them yet, because these are relatively new on the market. Great looking features and ventilation. Thoroughly impressed. And the color scheme is called the Squad Limited Edition. Very military, kind of flight looking. So not only do they have the awesome helmet in this color scheme, they have the matching Tech 10 boots in the Squad Limited Edition. Really freaking sharp. Needless to say, I am thoroughly impressed, because I have been wearing Tech 10s ever since they were, initially released. I don't know when it was, maybe 2005 or 6 was when they were first released, and they make improvements to them with every new edition. And these are no different. They have made lots of improvements to the buckle system versus maybe the previous two versions of the Tech 10. So really freaking awesome. I am impressed. Cannot wait to put them to the test on the track. So once again, it's called the M8 Supertech helmet. And of course the beloved Tech 10 in the matching Squad Limited Edition color scheme. And if you've never worn Alpinestars Tech 10 boots, yes, they are expensive, but if you've never worn them, I highly recommend it. They are extremely comfortable, compared to any other boot on the market. And I've worn Tech 6, Tech 8, you name it, Fox, Thor. I've worn pretty much every major brand of riding boot, and these Tech 10s, they're extremely comfortable and they hold their value. So when you're done using them, when you sell them, you'll partially pay for the new set of boots. Anywho, just thought I'd do a quick reveal, because I'm sure some of you are curious about them. Alrighty, that's it. We'll give a product review after we've tested them out, but I've tried the helmet on, and it's a nice snug fit. It'll need to break in, of course. It does wear differently. It feels different than the Shoei VFX line, but once it gets broken in, after a few rides, I'm sure it'll feel a little different. But definitely a nice quality piece with excellent features. So as of now, I recommend it. But the Tech 10 goes without saying. Can never go wrong with that boot. Alright guys, that's it. Biker Dave here, Horsepower House. Make sure you check out our channel. We got all kinds of cool stuff, moto and non-moto related, that I'm sure you will enjoy. So have a look. Y'all have a great afternoon.